Let's dive right into the crucial IP playbook for every hardware startup founder. Intellectual property is the foundation of your hardware startup's value. Ignoring it is not an option. Hardware founders face unique IP challenges, from complex technical designs to managing supply chain security and rapid innovation cycles. Patents are your primary tool for protecting the functional aspects and novel utility of your hardware. Focus your patent efforts on protecting the core technological innovations that give your product a competitive edge. A strong strategy involves both utility patents for functionality and design patents for the aesthetic appearance of your product. Beyond patents, trade secrets protect your confidential business information and unique know-how. This is crucial for safeguarding proprietary manufacturing processes, unique component sourcing, or secret formulas that are not publicly disclosed. Use non-disclosure agreements with partners and implement strict internal controls to maintain the secrecy of your most valuable knowledge. Trademarks protect your brand identity, separating your product from the competition in the marketplace. Trademarks protect elements like your product name, logo, and slogans, ensuring consumers can easily identify your brand. Register your trademarks early, often before launch, to establish priority and avoid costly rebranding issues down the road. While hardware itself isn't protected by copyright, the embedded software and documentation associated with it are. Copyright provides automatic protection for the original code in your embedded software and the written content in your user manuals and guides. Developing a smart IP strategy involves careful consideration of when to file and how to allocate your budget effectively. Prioritize provisional patent applications early to secure filing dates, and budget realistically for the costs of international protection if necessary. Your hardware IP is your competitive moat. Protect it diligently from the outset. Remember to patent your core technology, guard your manufacturing trade secrets, and secure your brand identity with trademarks and copyrights. This is how you build a valuable, defensible hardware company.